welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Stihl 026 chainsaw, very popular saw for firewood cutting, farm use, ranch use. Now look at some of the features it has. Side load on your gas and oil reservoir, working chain brake, foot pad for starting the high compression motor on the ground, foot in place, good grip on the handlebar, and you can start this motor. Master control on the left, off, run, high idle, and high idle choke all the way down. Falling spike, quiet tone muffler, 20-inch bar like we spoke about, 3/8 pitch, full comp, smooth cutting. Chain adjuster, loosen the two bar nuts up, tensioner's right in the center, real easy to get at. Vibration isolation motor mounts, real smooth on the operator. Just a great German engineered chainsaw.